Hello guys, save time how to rename multiple files at once in Windows. Need to rename a bunch of files in Windows. Files Explorer can help, but you will find more options with the Power Ties. Power Rename tools are a third-party utility. Here's the dilemma. You are stuck with a dozen or hundreds of files in Windows that have awkward names. This typically happens with photos, shots, and smartphones, and then transfer to your computer, resulting in names like images, screenshots. You will want to rename all these files so the name makes sense, but you probably don't want to waste time it takes to do it one by one. Windows lets you rename multiple files at once, giving each an sequential number to keep things in order. This option is not bad, but you can accomplish even more with the Microsoft Power Ties Power Rename tools, which lets you add dates and times to file names through the use of a variable. You can also turn to third-party utilities for more powerful solutions. These programs can tackle hundreds or thousands of files and will change the file names or extensions to whatever you wish. You can even preview the name and undo it if things are not quite right. Rename in File Explorer. To rename the multiple files from File Explorer, select all the files you wish to rename. Then press the F2 key. The name of the last file is highlighted. Type the new name you wish to give to every file. Then press enter. All the files you selected are listed with the same name but with a number in to make each file name unique. If you change your mind about the new name, press Ctrl+Z to undo your actions, and your files will revert back to their original names. If you wish to rename additional file this way, select the new file, press F2, and then type the new name. The new file are given sequential number starting from where the initial file left off, so there is conflict with a duplicate name. Rename with Power Ties Power Rename. However, Power Rename can do more. If you don't already have Power Ties on your PC, download and install the Power Tie setup file from the programs page or grab it from the Microsoft Store. To open the Power Ties setting Windows, double click its system tray icons and then select Power Rename. Make sure the switch for enable Power Rename is turned on. Open the show Power Rename in drop down menu and set it to default and extended context menu. This adds Power Rename to the context menu in window. Leave the box for hide icon in context menu unchecked. To receive suggestion for name, then when searching for and replacing existing file names, confirm that enable autocomplete for the search and replace fields is enabled. Use the field below the set the maximum number of suggestions you are receive. If you are unsure, leave the default value at 10. Turn on show recently used setting to see the last string used for a search and replace if you think you will need more than just the regular expressions used for search and replace. Enable use boost library at the bottom of the setting page. Confirm that enable auto complete for the search and replace field is enabled. Now when you need to rename multiple files, open File Explorer and select this the items you want to change. Right click on the selection and choose the Power Rename entry from the pop-up menu. Now when you need to rename multiple files, open files in the right pane of Power Rename. Confirm the files you wish to rename and make sure each one is checked. Check the box of user regular expression. You then